This video is all about your neck, and today I want to ask you a quick question. How mobile is your neck? Can you bend it all the way to the side? Can you go side to side like this? Well, if not, you might end up with neck pain. You might end up with weakness, or you might end up with tightness that feels really uncomfortable. The good news is today I'm going to share a clip from our Upper Body Fix Masterclass that's going to go over the 5 neck mobility drills you should be doing every single day, and also my absolute favorite neck stretch that loosens up your neck, your upper back, and your traps all at the same time. So give these a shot and your neck will love you for it. We're going to start with neck side to side, and again, instead of dropping your ear towards your shoulder like this and crumpling, try to think about reaching your face toward the sky. So I'm going to reach my face toward the sky, come to the other side, reach my face toward the sky. I'm only gonna go as far as I can, 100% comfortable. So side to side, do this for 20 to 30 seconds. Now we're gonna go front to back, but we're gonna do it differently. Instead of just bringing my face towards the floor like this, I'm gonna lift the back of my head toward the sky. So I'm gonna lift the back of my head towards the sky, then I'm gonna look up and I'm gonna press my face toward the sky. I'm not jerking my head back, I'm lifting my face toward the sky. And then I'm gonna lift the back of my head toward the sky and go back and forth like this. Only going as far as I feel 100% comfortable, okay? This is number 2 neck mobility drill that I really love. Drop the shoulders away from the ears, tall posture. Don't let anything move other than your neck and head, okay? Ready? We're gonna turn and look over our left shoulder with our chin nice and flat, not lean to the side, and turn and look over the opposite way, all right? Now, if you really wanna challenge this is kind of weird, but turn your palms towards the front or even outside away from your body, and then repeat it and watch. Whoa, where did all that stretch come into the mix? All the way through your neck, maybe deep down inside your shoulder and your scapula, right? It's really weird that our hands, our shoulders, our internal rotation, it's all related. When our neck's tight, when our internal rotation's tight, it brings us here into that fetal position, bad posture. We wanna get you back to here because good posture means a good feeling body, okay? So the first one is the chicken neck. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna push our face as far forward as possible like this, and then we're gonna pull the back of our head towards the back as much as possible like this, okay? So forward and back. This is a fantastic one for people who find themselves sitting like this all day long with their face forward as much as possible, right? And the last one is the trickiest one, the side glide. We're not gonna lean to the side like this, we're just gonna do this. Shoulders away from the ears, and the head is gonna glide to the side. And then it's gonna glide to the other side. And then it's gonna glide to the side. So what we're thinking about is this: how do I push my face towards the wall while keeping my head pushed towards the sky? How do I push my face toward the opposite wall while keeping my head pushed toward the sky? And again, if you want to challenge yourself, palms to the outside, it makes it a lot more flexibility requirements inside the neck and inside the shoulder to come from side to side. This is a stretch that goes into your neck, into your traps, into your shoulders, into your biceps, everything, okay? And it's one of my favorite movements. So you can come to the edge of a chair like this. You're gonna need a chair where you can grab the bottom of the chair. This is the most important thing, is I want you to have your fingers anchored towards the ground, okay? So grab the bottom of the chair, fingers are anchored, tall posture, and then you're gonna slowly tip your head sideways, reaching the face toward the sky, and you'll start to feel a stretch coming through the trap and the neck. Now here, I'm gonna put my fingers on top of my head. All right, now don't do this super hard at first. I want you just to try it real gentle. What you're gonna do is this: you're gonna start to press this way against your hand with your neck, just a little bit, just build a little bit of tension. Still focus on length, 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 tall to the top of your head, okay? Push a little bit harder, and then as I count to 3, I want you to take a big breath in, and then as you exhale, I want you to relax the neck tension and let your face come to the side, okay? So 1, 2, 3, big breath in, and let the head come to the side. We're still reaching the face toward the sky. We're focusing on length, but this little bit of tension that we create where we push against the hand, hold for 10 or so seconds, take a big breath in, and let the shoulder go, let the neck go. Every time you do this, you're gonna feel a deeper and deeper stretch into your neck, into your traps, into your shoulders, maybe even into your elbows, your wrists, all the way down into there. And let's do the other side to make sure we're evened out, okay? Nice tall posture, grab the bottom of the chair, lean the head to the side a little bit, let the shoulder come down, then we put the hand on top of the head. Slowly create a little bit of tension, pressing up against that hand. Ooh, yes. And then big breath in. Let the head come down. Oh man, it's amazing how much more range of motion you can get by using this technique. All right, I really hope you enjoyed this clip from our Upper Body Fix Masterclass. Now, if you want to get access to the full masterclass, where we go over all the details to make your upper body feel amazing, including stretches for your fingers, your wrists, your elbows, your shoulders, your upper back, and your neck, teaching you how to feel amazing in your upper body again, well, all you have to do is click the link below and you can get access for free. I'll see you there.